You've made it to your first real Python program. Nice work. In this video, we're going to write a small but mighty piece of code that almost every programmer starts with. A simple line that prints a message to the screen. Let's write a program. The first thing we'll do is use a built-in Python command called print. It's how we display the messages on the screen. So we type in print and we open up parentheses. Within this parentheses, we're going to open up some quotation marks to mark the beginning of our text. And we're going to pass in hello, comma, world. That's it. Just one line. This command tells the computer to show the message hello world on the screen. To break it down, the print message with the open and close parentheses, that's our built-in function. Within the parentheses, this is a space where we're going to pass in information for the print function to use. And the information we're passing in is the string or our text of hello world. You'll learn more about these soon. When I run this, I see the output of my text within the output box. Now, let's try printing out your name. Once again, we use a print function. And within the print function, I open up some quotation marks to spark the beginning of my string. And I can say something like, my name is Bob. I can run this, and instead of the hello world message we saw earlier, I'm now seeing my name is Bob. Just like I can print out one sentence, I can chain these together and print two things back to back. I can say my name is Bob. I can say this is my first program. And additionally, I can add a third print statement and say I'm excited to learn Python. When I run this, I see all three print statements within my output box. Now, you don't have to get it perfect the first time. If something doesn't work, you want to check your quotation marks or your spelling, or maybe sometimes your parentheses. And if you make a mistake, that's great. That means you're learning. Now, let's talk about understanding the output. When you ran this previous program, Python processed the code and outputs what's inside the quotation marks, and we saw it displayed here in our output box. That's it. Let's try to change it up a bit. This time, let's add numbers. We're going to open up a print statement once again. This time, I'm going to pass in a 2, the plus sign operator, and 3. And I see here that I get 2 plus 3 and the output of 5. So we see that we can do math. How about we try this with something like strings? I'm going to go ahead and pass in hello. And instead of the 3, I'm going to pass in another string with world. And I'm going to add a little spacing before the W to simulate the natural space between words. And when I run this, I see here that I have the output of hello world. So when I run this print statement, it's going to take both of the values I'm passing in within the parentheses, and it quite literally uses a plus operator to join these together to form one complete string. All it's doing is taking the result of what's being passed in within the parentheses and displaying that in my output box. You're already using real Python commands. From here, everything just builds on this idea. You write something, you run it, and you see what happens. Now, if you like some more practice, try out printing out your first or your last name. You might want to print out a fun fact by yourself. Try some of the math. Print the result of 5 plus 7. Print a message that includes quotation marks. Maybe print a short conversation between two people. Whatever you decide to do, the only limitation is your imagination. You did it. You just wrote and ran your first real program. It might seem real simple, but it's the exact same building block every developer starts with. You use the print function, you typed your first Python code, and you ran it in the editor. You also explored the output and played with text and numbers. Next up, we'll dive deep into Python basics like variables, data types, and operations. These are the tools that you'll use to make your programs more powerful. Let's keep going.